starting this hike going up. Hello everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. Today we are planning in hiking the Manistee River in the south area with the Techwoven case in green. Fall is all about orange with bright colors. The greens still does connect with fall. So here in Michigan we have evergreens and they don't actually change colors. This blends in with that autumn feel or fall feel because of the evergreen staying the same color. There are other colors too. The leaves of the trees is still green, and I feel like with the Techwoven case it's a bit dark for that. Evergreen is the one that's close to this color. It blends in. We've been hiking here for 1 mile and I've seen this like trees that has moss around it on the ground where the tree grew. I don't like slippery cases when I'm hiking, so I love when a case is so grippy and I'm holding it with one hand, and when I'm taking pictures it's so easy to click the camera control and start recording or start taking a picture, so that helps a lot. If you have a pop socket that would be helpful too, but with this being grippy I didn't bring it. Sienna, hiking with that to test the Techwoven case is enough for me to trust the green without the pop socket. If you guys are gonna go for a hike or for a walk and you're taking pictures or anything like that, definitely the Techwoven case enhances a grip. Like I said in the last Techwoven case, the Sienna, it felt like a heavy duty material. On the sides, it has a different texture to it. It makes it even more grippy. When I'm sliding it, it has a rubbery feel to it, which is good because that would definitely help a lot with grip. I've been holding this for like 1.64 miles, never fallen yet, especially with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is like a bit bigger for my hands. Like reaching to the top like that with text, or going back down to the bottom, moving to apps. Find me a friend. Oh, let's find him a friend. Ooh, he's got friends now. Break. So this tree, look at, there's somebody's water bottle in there. Look at that. Who leaves their water bottle in a tree, inside a tree? Why would you do that? It's kind of cool though, inside a hole. It's definitely an ease of capture. Whatever you're capturing, with the Techwoven case because of the grip compared to having no case, especially with the new material that's been used for the body of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's a bit slippery. On the first week of having the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange, I tried to not use any case. Can agree that there's a lot of ease in capturing with a case on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Wow, it's getting bigger and bigger here. That's a lot of mushrooms. This combination create a vibrant color, and also they are looking energetic and striking, especially in this fall season. Share your favorite fall season cases. So far from me, I love this first, and then my second one is the Sienna Techwoven case. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining us in hiking 10 miles today with the green Techwoven case. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on our next hike. Bye.